Windows 11 today looks modern, but under the surface it carries a lot of weight. Tiny1126AH1 v4 removes all that weight. This v4 is the first official release. You still get updates, security, and full compatibility. But the system finally runs the way powerful hardware deserves. Hi, this is Neil from HT. Let's start. Stock Windows 11 loads the Start menu with things most users never touch. You immediately see pinned apps you never chose. About 34 applications come pre-installed. Many of them cannot even be removed. The result is a system that feels crowded and distracting. Now take a look at Tiny1126H1. The Start menu opens clean. No pinned shortcuts, no pre-installed software waiting in the background. Windows Defender still functions normally. Now let's talk about storage. A clean Windows 11 installation uses around 37 gigabytes before you install anything. Your drive space starts disappearing the moment setup finishes. Tiny1126H1 follows a completely different approach. The entire operating system sits at roughly 6.4 gigabytes. No bundled apps, no unnecessary components, no wasted space. Memory usage makes the difference even clearer. On stock Windows 11, idle RAM usage sits around 2.9 gigabytes on a 4 gigabyte system. Opening a single Chrome tab can already cause stuttering. Tiny1126H1 starts at around 1.5 gigabytes after installation. If you want to push it even lower, Velotic can handle that. Open Velotic Pro. Go to the cleanup section. Enable AI managed cleaning. Within seconds, RAM usage drops to roughly 800 megabytes. This is AI being used to remove overhead instead of creating more of it. If you are wondering what Velotic is, it is a Windows optimizer designed for speed, control, and stability. Your PC speed shapes how you feel when you sit down to work or play. Velotic is not a cleaner, it is control. You turn it on, and your system stops fighting you. Games feel smoother, apps open faster, stutters disappear. Your PC stays fast every day, not just after a cleanup. Velotic tunes your CPU and GPU automatically, based on what you are doing. It removes junk before it slows you down. It kills hidden background drains in real time, without breaking Windows. You get 500 plus professional tweaks. One-click debloat, no guessing. Instant app installs, no setup pain. Smart power control that shifts between performance and stability when you need it. You free massive disk space through safe compression. Nothing gets deleted. Your files stay intact. Your system breathes again. This is not a temporary fix. This is the same approach used by people who depend on stable, fast machines every day. Built over 4 years, used by thousands, improved with every release. You install once, you stop thinking about performance forever. The basic plan starts at just $19.99 lifetime access. Velotic, for people who refuse to tolerate a slow PC. Now comes the key step, turning Windows 11 into Tiny 11. Open Velotic. Go to the debloat page. Press play. The tool takes over from here. With a single click, your system reaches Tiny 11 level performance. No file loss, no broken features. Everything runs on your existing setup. If you want the full breakdown, tap the info button. You can also find the complete guide through the link in the description. Now let us check CPU activity in background load. Stock Windows 11 runs roughly 145 processes, which translates to about 1,700 threads and nearly 63,000 handles. Even while idle, the system keeps working in the background. Tiny1126H1 reduces this dramatically. You get about 94 processes, around 950 threads, and roughly 33,000 handles. All essential system functions remain intact. Nothing critical is removed. Your CPU spends its time on your tasks, not background activity. Before we move to the benchmark numbers, here is what makes Tiny1126H1 different. Security features remain fully functional. Windows Defender, firewall protection, and anti-cheat systems all work normally. Microsoft security updates are also supported. They are not disabled or blocked. The result is a system that stays secure while still running on almost any PC. Now let us start with the baseline. On this hardware, stock Windows 11 scores 1,964 in single-core and 4,635 in multi-core. Those numbers already look modest. Windows 11 carries heavy background services, reserved resources, and constant overhead. Now let us see how Tiny 1126H1 performs. The system removes unnecessary components from the start. No bundled apps, no advertising layers running in the background. Security remains intact. The operating system does less work, which means your hardware can do more. On the same machine, Tiny 1126H1 scores 2,422 in single-core and 6,726 in multi-core. Same hardware, much cleaner performance. Now let us look at Windows Defender. Tiny 1126H1 gives you full control over it. Defender is disabled by default. Nothing runs unless you choose to enable it. When you want protection, you can turn it on instantly. Open the Configure toolbox. Go to the Windows Defender section. Press Enable. That is all. Defender becomes fully active. Real-time protection works normally. All security components load correctly. Now let us talk about Windows updates. Updates are paused by default. Windows will not install anything automatically unless it is a critical security patch. If you want full updates, open Settings, go to Updates and enable them. The current update status is displayed clearly. You can also disable updates completely using the Configure app, although this is not recommended. Fully disabling updates can break the Microsoft Store and other system features. Keeping updates paused is usually the better option. The store continues working, the system stays stable, and updates remain paused until you decide otherwise. Now let us open the Microsoft Store. It behaves just like it does on a normal Windows system, as long as updates are enabled. Tiny 1126H1 ships with no bundled applications. You install exactly what you want. Need Notepad, calculator, or the snipping tool? Open the store. Search for the app, press Get. The application installs immediately. You can also sign in using your Microsoft or Xbox account, and all purchased apps and games appear normally. In this example, Notepad installs instantly. It opens right away and works exactly as expected. Now we move to the most extreme test. The target is 256 megabytes of RAM. That is far below what most systems from the late 1990s used. This test has a simple rule. If Tiny 1126H1 cannot boot at this level, the build is rejected. It never reaches users. This requirement is part of the HT and APIDUS standard. The system boots successfully. Performance is not the focus here. The goal is survival. The fact that a modern operating system can start at 256 megabytes of RAM shows how lean this build really is. Keep this in mind. This is Tiny 1126H1, the newest Windows 11 branch with ongoing security updates. Seeing a 2026 operating system run at this memory level tells you everything about the optimization. I will open Task Manager so you can see the memory usage yourself. As available RAM decreases, Tiny 11 adjusts automatically. Overhead stays low. Only essential processes remain active. Tiny 1126H1 is designed for users who want speed, privacy, and control. No lag, no clutter, no unnecessary background activity. If you want consistent performance on almost any PC, this premium build delivers exactly that. You can find the full installation guide for Tiny 11 in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. This is Harbor of Tech, sailing off.